Welcome back to our channel. Today we delve deep into the intricacies of cloud computing and advanced IT solution. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon for latest expert insight and tutorials from our channel. Today we are tackling a fundamental eight powerful aspects of Azure, creating a virtual machine as a cornerstone of a cloud infrastructure, mastering VM deployment in Azure IT professional and cloud architect aiming to leverage scalable and flexible computing resources. So let's begin. Navigate to Azure portal. Simply just go to the browser, open new tab, type portal.azure.com, enter your global admin user ID and password, authenticate via MFA. I always recommend to set up MFA authenticated. MFA secured your tenant from attackers. So we recommend you must have to set up MFA. So here we are in Microsoft Azure tenant. So click on Azure Virtual Machine, create Azure Virtual Machine, select your subscription type, pay as you go. This is my new tenant, so we need to create a resource group. So this is my test resource group, so I'm naming to the test VM name test VM 01. This is my virtual machine name. Mention a region where you wish to deploy that VM. So I preferred Central India. Asia Pacific Central India. Here is a availability zone. So I don't want to set up as of now. So no infrastructure redundancy required. If you required any redundancy for your VM, then you can choose security type set trust launch virtual machine. Then select image, which operating system you wish to install on that VM. So I wish to Windows 11 install on that VM because this is our test. VM architecture. Okay, then you must have to select the size, what size you want to, like if you want to select more sizes, you can click this see all sizes. Here you get a RAM and data disk size. So we choose the V4 VMS, the basic one, because this is we are not using for production environment, so we can get this 2 CPU, 4 GB RAM, 4 GB data. Yeah. Mm, Select, enter your ID, password, user ID, password for your VM. Sorry. Public inbound port. So I always recommend do not select the default 3389 port. Specify your customized port which is allowed it in your firewall. So this is our test VM. So I select the Azure 3389. For production environment, I do not recommend to use 3389 default port. You must have to select your customized port, then confirm I have an eligible to Windows 10 11 license for with multiple tenant hosting. Yes. Next, to create disk hard disk, we must have to select hard disk here. So I take a minimum one. We don't want a premium SSD. Or take a normal standard hard disk. If you don't wish to delete all the resources when you are deleting your VM, so you can tick on this. Here is the pros and cons. If you take this, then when you delete your VM, all this created resource with this VM has been deleted. If you not take this, then your VM is deleted, but that resource is still with Azure and that resources will be billable to you. So you must have to understand your requirement, then tick accordingly. So this is our test VM. So after our session, I'm going to delete. So I wish to click this and delete all these resources while I'm deleting this VM. So I tick this. Okay. Now move to the next networking. So it is automatically created. This is Azure default subnet. If you wish to create new, you can create. NIC card security group basic. Allowed at port 3389. Delete the public IP and NIC when VM is deleted. This is also same as the previous option. This one, because if you delete the VM and this untick, then your public IP and the NIC still billable to you from Microsoft team. So as per, again, as per your requirement, you can use this. Then Next to management, it is a defender for cloud. It's a basic plan, is free. So if you wish, then you can click take this identity system assign manage. Don't waste. Now auto shutdown, you can click the auto shutdown here. Backup, I don't require it because this is not a production VM. So I recover it doesn't required. And automatic updates, if you wish to do the automatic update you can select this, but I always recommend to manual updates. Then next to monitoring, I don't wish to create any rules. Diagnostic, next to advanced, no need to do anything here. And here is the tag. You always need to mention the tag here, so it is easy to locate your resource in your billing. So I always recommend while creating any resource in Azure, whether it is the container, VM, backup solution, anything, you must have to put the tag name. So it is easy to understand the billing admin to which resource from billing your tenant. Then next to create and review. Here you can see your cost, what cost. You can see the VM deployment is started. This takes few minutes. You can see our deployment is completed, VM provision. So now click to go to resource. You can see everything. So it's take more time, like 1 or 2 minutes. You can see the virtual machine agent status is not ready. Now simply just refresh, connect, download RDP, save, connect, type password, click OK, click yes. You can see your VM is created and you can successfully log in via RDP. So thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more upcoming detailed video for creating VMs and VM types and what kind of storage, what kind of quota you can provision for the VM. So do comment. Thanks for watching again. Thank you so much.